All right, so as we go throughout the next couple of days, we are going to have several chances for some rainfall. But starting with tomorrow, we actually are kicking things off with a severe weather threat. So this is the latest coming in from the SPC, the Storm Prediction Center out in Oklahoma, and they've highlighted greater Cincinnati under that slight risk for severe weather. So this is level 2 out of 5 for the likelihood that some of these storms become organized enough that they become strong or severe. Better chance further to the north and east for areas around Athens, Columbus, and then up toward Cleveland. But for us here in greater Cincinnati, we still have that potential for some of our thunderstorms tomorrow, mainly during the early part of the afternoon, becoming strong or even severe. Here's the cold front that's going to be responsible for our severe weather threat for tomorrow. Right now, it's bringing in severe weather for areas of the Midwest, closer to Minneapolis, and then onward into areas closer to Chicago a little bit later on tonight. Now, the rest of tonight here locally looks great. In fact, temperatures are very comfortable. It feels like a very nice and spring-like day with minimal cloud cover outside, so get out and enjoy while you can. Take the dogs on that extra long walk, take the kids out on a walk. Good evening to do so if you've got practices or games happening. Really nice evening out there. Moving forward though, tomorrow morning, I do think we start off dry. I don't necessarily think this that you see in Futurecast actually ends up popping up, but as we get into the middle of the day tomorrow, that is when we have the potential for some stronger to severe storms even moving in here. Within this line that actually develops throughout greater Cincinnati, closer to that noon or 1 o'clock time frame, we could see some of these cells actually becoming kind of sort of rotating a little bit. So again, for tomorrow, we have all modes of severe weather on the table. Primary area of concern is going to be the potential for some strong to damaging winds. Hail threats there as well, but then also that low-end tornado threat really needs to be watched closely throughout tomorrow, earlier into the afternoon hours. Right around 3, 4 o'clock, I do think we end up seeing a little bit of a break, but then still 5, 6, 7 o'clock tomorrow evening, we still will have some thunderstorms around the area, some of which again will need to be watched for the likelihood of strong to severe storms. But I think our primary severe weather threat is going to come into play tomorrow 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, likely an early afternoon severe weather threat. Now here's the thing. As that cold front moves into Cincinnati tomorrow, it's going to kind of stall out on top of us, likely leading to some some additional thunderstorms here on the middle of the week. Rainfall possible on Wednesday, maybe even hearing some rumbles of thunder by Thursday as well. So tomorrow's going to be a weather impact day for us. We've got the morning starting off dry, the biggest risk for severe weather earlier into the afternoon. As we get into the evening, still some thunderstorms around here, but I think our primary severe weather threat is going to be early afternoon. Rainfall total is not looking too impressive with this, but because that front's going to stall out, we'll see our rainfall likely adding up throughout the days, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday too, potentially seeing some spots picking up 1 to 2 inches of rain in total, but tomorrow is likely responsible for about a ½ inch or so. Damaging wind, hail, a few tornadoes, all a possibility. Wind and hail are going to be our primary threats. The possibilities there, though, that low-end tornado threat for us here tomorrow during the afternoon. This actually is going to set us up for a very cold weekend heading into Flying Pig. Cold by May standards, but I think our runners are going to wind up enjoying it. The numbers you see here are our highs in the afternoon, so that's what we're working toward most of the day. But as far as race time is concerned for Saturday and Sunday, both days actually have temperatures sitting in the 40s for that race time, so it is going to be a little bit chilly out there, especially if you're cheering anybody on. If you're out doing the race, I think this weather actually ends up panning out for you very nicely. As far as temperatures are concerned for the next few days, we are topping out tomorrow a little bit closer to 80, but again, the big story with tomorrow is that severe weather threat.